just like a timeless song.
Welcome back to the Southern Roots Kitchen. Today we're going to make something called Brazilian cheese bread. I have a slight scary feeling that I'm about to max out my Ninja, but hopefully I can make all of this fit. So first we're going to start off with 3 cups of milk. This is 2, and I'll have to pour up another. We'll set that over here out of the way. Then I'm going to put in 3 cups of all-purpose flour. You can use bread flour, regular. There I go, making a mess. I gotta get a better way to do this. Tapioca, you name it. What a messy cook. I chose bread flour today. Not bread flour, but AP. I don't have any tapioca. I'm going to put about 3 teaspoons of salt. Now, first, let me say that I am tripling this recipe, but I will drop the recipe for a single recipe. Okay, 3/4 cup of oil. Now I'm gonna crack 3 of these little golden eggs, if you want to call them that at the moment. They sure cost enough. Now, you can use a variety of cheeses. I'm using a Fiesta blend and mozzarella. So, I'm going to put my mozzarella in. This is where we're about to have room problems, I'm afraid. Let's see here. I'm going to try to get the last little bit. Boy, I am slinging stuff everywhere today. I'm Butterfingers. I've never, for some reason, been able to be a neat cook. My daughter says, "Mom, you're such a messy cook." It's true. Anyway, got that on. Now, oh, there it is. Let's see if we can get this on, and we'll be all right. Yeah. All right, here we go. We're gonna give this a mix and see what we can do. All right, so I think we're through mixing. I didn't get this off without making a mess. Yeah. I'm going to run my spatula down, scrape the sides, make sure it all gets blended in. My muffin pan holds 24, so I'm not sure how far this is going to go, but we'll see. We're supposed to fill them 3/4 full. So let's see what we can get. All right, we got 24. So I've got an oven going on, 375 over there, so it's getting popping hot and ready to go. I'm going to slide these in for about 20 minutes, and we'll be back. So we're coming in close for a look. It's popping hot. Ooey gooey Brazilian cheese bread. You can almost see a cheese pool in there. So good. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Be sure you like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.